Be strong in bed. Even if you are 80, try this simple energy mix first. I add 2 teaspoons of instant coffee into a small bowl. Coffee helps improve circulation and boosts energy, which positively affects men's health. Next up is honey. I also use about 2 teaspoons of honey. Honey is a natural aphrodisiac that strengthens immunity and supports hormonal balance. Plus, it's rich in zinc, which promotes testosterone production. Mix the honey and coffee thoroughly until you get a smooth consistency. By the way, where are you watching from? Let me know in the comments. I take a tangerine and cut it in half. Then I squeeze the juice out of the tangerine. Tangerines are packed with vitamin C, which improves blood flow and supports heart health. Vitamin C also boosts endorphin production, enhancing your mood. I got about 25 ml of tangerine juice. I add the juice to the coffee and honey mixture. Stir it well to combine everything evenly. Next, I take a piece of ginger. The ginger needs to be cut into small cubes. Ginger is well known for stimulating circulation and enhancing overall wellness. It also reduces inflammation and helps generate energy. I add the chopped ginger into a cup. Then I pour in our mixture. Finally, I top it off with warm water. This drink is not only incredibly healthy but also tastes amazing. It will give you strength and energy to power through your day.